Gusto mo ba mag-roast beef para bukas sa New Year's Eve pero wala kang oven? At dahil catering is life, motherhood is lifer, and TikTok is lifest, gagawa tayo today ng roast beef pink mash, and I'm going to teach you the shortcut version. So first thing that you need is the beef short plate, and nabibili ito sa South Supermarket or sa SNR. Now in a pan, you'll add 5 cups of water, tapos isubmerge natin yung short plate. Then you're going to add fresh rosemary twigs, 1 whole carrot cut in half, 1 whole onion cut in 4 pieces, 2 stalks of celery, tapos we'll just roughly chop this kasama yung dahon. You'll need a lot of salt, isang dakot din ng pepper. Cover and let this simmer for about an hour and a half. In another pan, we're going to boil water, and then we need 1 kilo of regular potatoes, tsaka half kilo of sugar beets. So yung patatas daw, madaling balatan kapag ginilitan. So subukan natin. And then for the sugar beets naman, or yung beetroot, ito yung magbibigay ng pink color sa mashed potato natin. Babalatan din natin siya. So basically, this is like a pot roast beef. Pero importante talaga na beef short plate yung gagamitin kasi siya yung magbibigay ng lasa na para talaga siyang in-oven, mga kamare-chef. So ayun, pag kumukulo na yung water, tsaka lang natin ilalagay yung patatas, and then we will time it at 25 minutes. Huwag ka magkakamali doon. Okay, dice your sugar beets. After 25 minutes of boiling, tanggalin mo na yung patatas, palitan ng tubig at pakuluan ang sugar beets sa half cup ng water. Basta konting water lang. So habang binabalatan natin yung patatas, kumukulo yung sugar beets, magda-dice na rin tayo ng butter para mabilis ito matunaw while you are mashing your potatoes. O, yun yung silbi no na. Kapag kasi malalaki yung hiwa ng butter mo, hindi siya mabilis matunaw. Yun lang naman yun. So, ayan na mga kamare-chef, lalagay na natin lahat kasama yung tira-tirang water, and we will mix this up. Now, do not be intimidated or afraid. It's really going to look like that. So, we're just going to mix this and add salt and set it aside. And then, babalikan na natin yung short plate. So, ayan, nahati na siya sa dalawa. Medyo lumalambot na. So, ang nilagay natin kanina na carrot, celery, at saka sibuyas, and the rosemary is called mirepoix. That is the base to make it really tasty. And mga kamare-chef, ulitin ko, hindi pwedeng ibang part ng beef yung gamitin mo. Kailangan talaga short plate or kamto. Now, set the pinagkuluan aside. Tapos, kung nagmamadali ka, pwede mong ilagay sa freezer yung beef para lumamig agad-agad. Kasi hindi mo siya pwede hiwain ng mainit or else madudurog ito. Now that the beef has rested, gagawa na tayo ng gravy. So, kailangan natin ng 1/4 stick of butter, 3 tablespoon ng harina. Gagawa tayo ng roux, mga kamare-chef. O, equal amount of fat and starch. Now, this is optional para maglasa talagang na oven yung karne mo. Lalagyan mo ng anise seed. Ayan, so pag medyo brown na yung ating harina and butter or yung roux, pwede na natin ilagay yung pinagkuluan, tsaka yung mushroom na dried na hinhydrate natin. Huwag nyo sabihin sa akin na mahal yan. Mas mura yan actually. And then maglalagay tayo ng water, tansya-tansya lang, and maglalagay rin tayo ng mga strain off natin na celery, onion, and carrot. Konti lang, pampalasa, para hindi ka na maglalagay ng beef cubes. So anyway, ito na, naglagay na tayo ng cream. So you have to put this towards the end of cooking because it can curdle or magbubukol-bukol siya, mga kamare-chef, okay? Medyo matrabaho kasi isang potahe pero 3 lutuan. So you have your mashed potatoes, your gravy, and now it's time to slice the beef. Slice this along the grain. You want long strands of protein when you're eating it because it is really delicious that way. And on top of that, it's a good technique para hindi siya basta-basta masisira. So, ayan na mga kamare-chef, ipila lang natin siya sa aluminum tray, and then ilalagay na natin yung pink mashed potatoes. Top it off with your mushroom gravy, and you can garnish this with French beans or any gulay na gusto ninyo na side dish. I listed down the ingredients in the caption. Pwede na kayo mamalengke. Don't forget to like and share this recipe. Bye-bye!